What a long day! We walked all over the city today.
Yeah, Mom, but it was really fun. I'm a little tired and a little hungry, too. Mom, I think we should find dinner soon.
I agree. My stomach is starting to complain.
Mine, too. I think I could eat a lot right now.
Look at all these restaurants on this street. There are so many choices.
Everything smells really good. Mom, this place is very popular.
I can see that. It looks very busy.
There are so many people inside. Wow, every table looks full. Yeah, it's really crowded.
That usually means the food is good.
Do we need to do anything first before we go in?
What do you mean?
Oh? Maybe we need to tell them earlier. Oh! You mean a reservation? What is a reservation, Tom? It means calling the restaurant before you come so they save a table for you.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah, then you don't have to wait.
It's very common in busy restaurants.
Well, we didn't make a reservation.
But we can still ask.
Yeah, let's go inside and try.
Wow, it's even busier inside.
Yeah, everyone looks happy with their food. It smells amazing in here. Look at that table. Their steak looks great.
And that fish looks really fresh. Now I'm even more hungry.
They said we may need to wait a little.
That's okay. I hope it's not too long. I'm really hungry now. Mine too.
Now, let's hope we get lucky.
Look, Mom. That table is empty now.
You're right. Maybe we can sit there.
This table is nice.
I'm happy we didn't wait long. Me too.
Wow, why are there so many forks and knives?
Yeah, there are a lot.
In Western restaurants, meals come in parts called courses.
Courses? Yes, different parts of the meal. The first one is the appetizer.
Oh, like a starter.
Then comes the main dish.
That's the big meal. That's the part I'm waiting for. Finally, we have dessert.
The sweet ending.
I like dessert. You use the forks from the outside in. Oh, like steps in a game.
All right, let's look at the menu.
Everything sounds good. There are so many choices.
I think I will order steak.
Good choice, Mom. That sounds delicious. I think I will get grilled fish.
Fish is a great choice.
fish sounds good.
Fish comes with different sauces.
Like lemon sauce. What does that taste like? Lemon sauce tastes a little sour. It feels fresh and light.
Butter sauce is creamy and rich. It tastes heavier.
I think I want lemon sauce.
Good choice. Fresh and tasty.
All right, we are ready to order now.
And I want the fish with lemon sauce.
And I will have the steak. Medium, please.
Thank you. Your food will be ready shortly.
I'm excited to try lemon sauce.
It tastes fresh and a little sour. I think you'll like it.
Let's relax while we wait for the food.
Yeah, today was a long day. But it was a fun day. This restaurant feels lively. Lots of families come here.
Yes, that makes the place feel warm.
I like watching people eat different food. Me too. It's fun. Food is part of our culture.
Traveling helps us learn many new things.
Especially new food. And new English words. Look, our food is here. It looks amazing and smells wonderful. The fish looks beautiful. The lemon sauce smells fresh. And it looks very tasty.
My steak looks juicy. It's a perfect steak, and it smells so good. All right, everyone, let's try our food.
I'm ready. Me too. Do you like it? Wow, it's delicious.
Really?
That's great. The fish tastes fresh. Mine is tasty too.
My steak is amazing.
The lemon sauce is a little sour. But it's very fresh.
That balance is perfect.
The fish is soft inside.
And a little crispy on the outside.
That's why it tastes so good.
The steak is juicy.
It looks delicious. Everything smells wonderful.
We can describe food with many words.
Like delicious, tasty, and fresh.
There are also words like sweet and salty.
And they're sour too.
English food words are fun.
This is the best fish I have tried today. I'm glad you like it.
Food always tastes better when we share it.
Looks like we finished everything. I feel very full.
That was a wonderful dinner.
Mom, the bill is here.
All right, let's see. Okay.
The price looks fair.
The food was worth it.
Yes, it was great. Mom, do we leave a tip?
Yes, that's common here.
Oh, what is a tip?
A tip is extra money for the waiter. People usually leave about 15 to 20%.
It's a nice way to thank the staff.
Exactly. Kindness matters.
I'll pay with my card.
That's easy. Everything is fast here.
Here is my card.
Technology is helpful. Helpful? Yes, it is.
All right, it's done.
That was quick.
Now we can go.
Let's thank the waiter, Tom Min.
Thank you for the wonderful dinner. Everything was delicious.
We loved it. The night air feels nice.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
A little walk is perfect. Dinner turned out great.
Yes, it was a lucky choice.
I learned many things. I learned about reservations,
Courses, sauces, and many food words.
delicious, tasty, fresh, sweet, salty, sour.
Learning English can be fun.
Especially with food. This dinner was really fun.
It was delicious and educational.
Tonight was a great memory. I will remember it. Me too.
Travel brings many new experiences
And good food.
and new words. The city looks beautiful tonight. Did you enjoy your first dinner in America?
Yes, very much.
That's great! It was a little scary at first.
But it turned out great.
Sometimes new things feel like that. Trying new food is part of traveling.
And it's fun.
Yes!
Today was a wonderful day.
It really was.
Thank you for bringing me here. You're welcome, Min.
We are happy you came with us.
I'm happy too. This dinner was really fun.
And educational. This dinner will be a lovely memory.
I'll remember it.